Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can schedule your reels on Instagram. So if you are looking for how you can schedule your reels, Instagram and TikTok, then you are at right place. So if you have the content and if you're looking for someone to schedule all the content for your Instagram and TikTok account, then you can hire me on Fiverr as well. As you can see, right now I am giving the services of schedule your Instagram reels and TikTok videos on Fiverr. So if you don't have time, you have the content and you are looking for someone to do this step for you, then you can hire me on Fiverr and I will I will do this job for you. So as you can see, I have 261 reviews, a lot of I have very good rating as well. As you can see, I have 5-star rating. Check my negative reviews. There are only there are no negative review. So if you want to hire me on Fiverr for this task, so now I will show you how you can. Okay, so the link of this gig is in description. Just click on the link and go to this profile and just message me. Okay, so the next thing is how you can schedule your reels on Instagram. So right now if we go to Twitter, and here if we write here buffer, so buffer is a scheduling tool and you can see drafting, scheduling and auto publishing Instagram reels is now available in. So buffer has introduced the Instagram reels and auto publishing option, so just check that out. So we are going to buffer.com. You have to buy the buffer platform. Here for one channel you have to pay $5. If you hire me on Fiverr, I will only charge for the content. For scheduling the content, I'm not charging the buffer fee. Okay, so after purchasing this buffer account, you have to connect your social accounts here. So just you have to go to manage channels, and here you will have to click on connect channel and you add your Instagram channel and TikTok. So there are option of TikTok. After connecting your Instagram account with buffer.com, then you have to just select the account you want to schedule, and then you have to click on create post. Here you will see two options, feed and reels. So just select the reel option, then you have to drag and drop, select a video, just click here, find any video you want. For example, I want to schedule this video. Here you just have to enter the caption if you want, and for example we are going with test, and then you have to select the location. For example, I'm going with this location, New York. Then you have the option to share to feed. Just click on share to feed, click on here, you will see the option. If you click on share now, or if you want to schedule the post, just click on schedule post, select the date and time, and boom, now this reel is custom scheduled for today at. So in this way you can schedule your reels on Instagram. As hope you like this little tutorial, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.